Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and I have this month's Ipsy Glam bag for April 2023. So let's go ahead and just open this up and let's see what is inside. I have avoided spoilers. This was gifted to me quite generously. And let's see, what do we got? Oh, we've got chaos is what we've got. Oh my goodness, there we go. There we go. See, that's the beauty of doing it live. I love that. I've always loved this about Ipsy. Ooh, look good, do good. So very cute little bag. It feels kind of like cloth, almost like denim. My cat is coming over here. She might make an appearance. She might come inside the softbox. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, let's see what we got here. We've got, oh, Farrah. This is the Fairy Mini Sponge Set. I always need more makeup sponges, so I'm happy to have this. Here, kitten. Here, I'll let my cat play with the makeup sponges, so hopefully she won't come inside the softbox. All right, what is this? I Am Beautiful. Length and Volume Mascara. I Am Beautiful. Is that the name of the brand? Real Her. Got it. There we go. Haven't seen Real Her in a while. I remember when they very first came out. I have a very old unboxing video of Real Her products on my YouTube channel. Maybe I'll link that so you guys can check it out. But it's so old. It's like 10 years old. All right. Length and Volume Mascara. Let's take a look at the brush, shall we? Let's see what this is. Real Her. Ooh. Love the look of that. Looks like it has kind of that gel cream texture for mascara. I'm totally into that. So cool. So far we've got makeup sponges. We've got mascara. Let's see what's next. The New Company. The New Company. Barrier Culture Moisturizer. Pre-Pro Postbiotic. Ooh, so we got prebiotics, postbiotics, and probiotics. There we go. I said that in totally different order, but it's okay. Improve the skin barrier, probiotic hydration. This sounds interesting. So we've got a very cool barrier culture moisturizer from The New Company. All right, we got two more items. We've got, what do we got? The Gel Eyeliner. This is by Shades and Shan. Okay, we always need eyeliner. Oh, good. This is the twist up kind. If that is black, that is kind of gray looking. It's looking very charcoal, very smoky gray. No, I take that back. Through my camera, it looks kind of a smoky gray, but I'm cheating now and I'm looking off camera and looking at my hand. This is actually more of a smoky green. Interesting. That's actually a very cool color. Okay. And who is this again? Shades by Shan. Sorry. Small print and it's shiny. Shades by Shan. This is the gel eyeliner. All right, we got one more item. Oh no. We've got the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser by Benefit. It's no secret that I was not a fan of Benefit's foam toner. But I'm sure they'll do a better job with their pore purifying foaming cleanser. We'll give it a try, and I will give you guys my honest review. So if it's worth the splurge, you can go splurge. And if I think it's not so hot, you can proceed. You and your wallet can proceed with caution. So I'm not going to lie. This is the first bag in a long time that I haven't had my socks knocked off. I do like the bag. I think it's very cute. I do like that. Look good, do good. I'm not very crazy about Benefit skincare. I think they make some really nice makeup, but when it comes to their skincare, well, I haven't tried anything other than the foam toner lately, so maybe they can redeem themselves, but in the past, even their skincare has been pretty lackluster. I mean, does anybody remember Benefit's former skincare line? Probably not. All right, got another eyeliner. We got makeup sponges. We've got an interesting sounding moisturizer. And then we've got a mascara. So, like I said, this month's bag is okay. I'm not really impressed with the bag this month, but that's okay. They have more winners than losers when it comes to Ipsy. All right, let's see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus.